A very good morning and good evening to all the participants.
In today's session, we are going to start with enterprise asset management. So we'll go ahead with the enterprise asset management. Enterprise asset management. So in the enterprise asset management supports organizations to manage entire life cycle of physical assets, which results in reduced operating costs and it also better managed capital expenditure and include EHS. I hope all the participants are able to see my screen because I just got a message participants cannot see my screen. Is it okay? Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. And also it includes the asset utilization. Enterprise asset management integrates with ERP and operational technology systems. And which supports preventative maintenance, remote monitoring, asset utilization, real-time analytics, preventative maintenance. Enterprise asset management supports remote monitoring, asset utilization, real-time analytics, and preventative maintenance, etc. The primary capability for enterprise asset management: capital portfolio, and project management. Asset operation and maintenance, and asset network, and environment, health and safety. Enterprise asset management, it has the life cycle management of the physical assets of an organization. And it also includes design, construction, operations and maintenance, and enterprise asset management allows to manage their assets related to costs and risk performance. With SAP S/4HANA, organizations can build a foundation for operational excellence with asset management and environment, health, and safety capabilities. In SAP S/4HANA, enterprise asset management allows organizations to manage their cost, risk, and performance, and organizations can implement proactive maintenance strategies that are available for real-time data, as well as it also have the predictive capabilities. To mainly to increase the return on assets and to reduce the plant downtime. We can manage the entire life cycle of your physical assets with the complete enterprise asset management. With SAP S/4HANA, organizations can systematically reduce risk and improve the worker safety with one common view of project risks that are mainly related to workers, assets, or environment. In addition to this, it also has a very good improved analytics in Fury apps. It has improved analytics and predictive models, enable the organization to analyze large data sets in order to improve environment safety and health purpose. Now let us see in SAP Fiori apps what are the apps provided by SAP for enterprise asset management. So let me log into Fiori apps. So there are some apps that are related to enterprise asset management. They are create equipment, create maintenance notification, change maintenance notification, change maintenance orders, these are the few apps developed in the enterprise asset management and in the backup system SAP GUI, IH01, IE01, IW22 and IW32. These are the apps in SAP Fiori and T-codes in SAP S4 HANA. In enterprise asset management, mainly functional location structure, equipment master record, notifications, these business objects, functional locations, which is an organizational unit in the logistics. It structures the maintenance objects of a company supporting to functional, project related, or spatial criteria. The functional location represents the place a maintenance charge is to be performed and represents system area at which the object can be used. Now this object that can be installed at functional location are called as pieces of equipment. They're known as pieces of equipments in the SAP system. We can define and manage each functional location in plant maintenance components in a separate master record. We can build up a separate maintenance query for each functional location, and you can specify the structure according to your own company criteria using hierarchical labels. So a company can easily represent systems or operational structures from a functional point of view. The hierarchical structure of the functional location can represent the interrelations of operational functions within the system. Now, equipment master record equipment is nothing but the individual object in the system that is maintained independently. Equipment can be installed at different functional location. You can create individual equipment in an organization based on object-based structure of a technical system. Using the equipment, we can perform many functions like you can manage individual data, for the maintenance perspective in the SAP system. For each technical object, equipment master records can be used in the functional areas like material management, sales and distribution, production planning, and also controlling. These are the different functional application area where the equipment records can be used. By using the equipment master record, we can create notifications. Notification is created a new mission in the production line is not working properly, then create the notification. For the maintenance department, then the maintenance department will check the machine and fix the problem if possible. After you create the notification, to create the maintenance request, for your equipment to record the functions. So once the notification is created, then we have to create a maintenance order through your notification for the maintenance department. So after you create the maintenance order, when the maintenance planner need to plan maintenance order. And the order is already created, we can change the existing order and perform the planning. So once you completed the planning, and finally we can release this order. Now, next, create functional location structure in the enterprise asset management. Now, let's log into the SAP logon. Double click on S4 IDS. Provide the username and password. Click enter. Let us log into SAP GUI. To create the functional location structure, enter the T code. So here you have the structure indicator. Functional location structure indicator to know about the structure indicator. Select the functional structure indicator. Now, functional location category M. Select as M. Functional location category is an organization that structures the maintenance organizations of a category. Mainly it is related to the process orientation. Functional location is a place where the functional activity is carried on. Here, here you can see we are creating a functional location based on the copy reference. Click on copy reference and provide the functional location. Here we need to take the reference and provide. And here we need to provide the new functional location mode. Now click continue. So here you can see the functional location called Central Services, Central Services Management 08. Now click on. A function location is created. Enter the function location mode 1708. Let us go back. Enter the T code IH01. Now enter 1708. Click execute. Now here we can see the functional location that we just created now. Click on expand levels. So here you can see all the functional levels. After creating structure for the production plant, we can create in the production line. Let us create the functional reference for the production line. IL01, click enter. Provide the functional location. FL02. Click enter. Provide the description. Production line. Now click on organization. Select the cost center. Enter. Let us select the cost center and click save and click continue. Now function location has been created. Now let us copy the functional location FL02. For production line. Let us go back. Now we are going to create the equipment master record. Equipment can be installed at different functional location. You can create different equipment based on the organization structure. Choosing an equipment, we can manage the existing data from the maintenance perspective. We can also perform the individual maintenance for each equipment on the system. To create an equipment master record, enter the T code IE01. So here we're creating the, now provide the equipment number over here. And click enter, provide the description. So select the object type. Provide the amount over here. Provide the currency. And click on location. Select the location. Select the work center. Select the work center. Now click on organization. In the cost center, click on start search. Now select the cost center over here. Click the assets. Click on start search. Now select the planner group. Click on structure. Click on change instant location. Provide the functional location. Click on start search. So here we can select the functional location and click confirm. Now click save. Equipment master record is created with the number. Copy this. Equipment master record is created. Copy this number. To see the equipment master record, let's go back. Enter the T code. IE03. Let us copy the equipment master record number. We can see the equipment number over here. Let us click enter. Here you can see the description, status. You provided the amount 1000 and the currency is INR. Click on organization. The company code is 1710. Asset. So here you have the cost center and the controlling area. Plant and the planner group. Click on the structure. So here you can see the functional location. So this is the equipment details. After creating the equipment, we'll create the notification. So now we'll create the notification. To create the notification, let's go back again. Expand logistics. Expand plant maintenance. Now we are going to create the notification and maintenance processing and notification. Here double click on W21. Notification is the part of the cross application component that allows to process and maintains different types of information. Provide the notification type. Select the notification type and click enter. Let's provide the description. Provide the equipment number over here. Here the equipment number is. Copy the equipment number. Select the planner group. 100. So select main work center. Plant is 1710. Click on start search. Select the work center. Reported by. Click on start search. Select the username. Now let us provide the priority, high priority. Now click on save. Click yes. Notification is saved. Copy the notification number. Paste it in the notepad. Up to now we created the function location and equipment master record, and we created the notification. After creating the notification, we're going to create the maintenance order. We want to see all the notifications for maintenance order about the entire workflow regarding the maintenance department. We can see the notification list by creating the maintenance order. We are going to create a maintenance order. Enter. So here we have create the notification. Here we can see the notification number, whatever the notifications we created. Now click enter. Provide the description. Click on the create icon. So the planning plant is 1710. Now click continue. Now provide the work duration. Let's provide 20. Provide the operation duration and the control key. Select the control key. So here you can select the control key. PM01. Now click on save. Now maintenance order is created. 200041 with the notification. So here you have the order and here you have the notification. Let's go back. Once the maintenance order is created, the maintenance planner should provide the order. Now we are going to use to plan the maintenance order. So let us again double click on, let's expand the order. Double click on IW32. So click enter. Now let us enter the planner group and notification number. The function location which we created 1708. So here you can see all the details. Now let us click on the operations. Now here you can see the description and the control key is PM01. Click on components. Click on components. Enter the component over here. Component is FG29. Provide the description. Let us take FG29 bike paint. So provide these details and click enter. Order is saved. Now we have to release the maintenance order. To release the maintenance order, again click on change, click enter. Let us see the status. Material availability not checked. Click on put in process. Now let us release the order. Here you can see the status as released. And here you can see the equipment number. Order is released. In today's session, we are mainly focusing on how to create the functional location structure and equipment master record and notification, and how to create maintenance order to your notification, and how to plan the order, and finally showing you different kinds of notifications.
If you want to see the assignment for today's session, go to the Dropbox Set to folder. Go to Set to Assignments. Go to S4HANA Assignment. Go to S4HANA Logistics. Here we can find Enterprise Asset Management. Create an equipment master record. Create a create a metal record. Go to the asset management assignment. You can see each and every step. So let's log into S4ADS. Enter the username and password. Press enter. Go to the path. enter the transaction code, enter the functional location. Like this, I have given each and every step very clearly. Please work on the assignments. Thank you all the participants.